What's up YouTube, FrankTastic here again. This one is pretty much me just washing my bike. If you watched the last video, you probably noticed that I look exactly the same as I did in that one. Hot, sweaty, dirty, same freaking clothes, everything. And that is because literally I'm recording this right after that video. In the last video, I did a oil change on my bike. Now it's time for me to wash it.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Tape my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets.
Like I said, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Click that like button if you liked it. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And I hope I see you in the comment section and you will see me in the next video. I'm FrankTastic and I'm out.